Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. It's your favorite YouTuber Tony here. Today I'm gonna do an epic unboxing of a product I'm very much interested in. In case you're wondering why Pamu, well, I've been using the Pamu Slide Mini all through the lockdown in the UK and I've been very happy with the overall qualities of those small little buds over here. So I got the new model, the Pamu Quiet. Why the Pamu Quiet? Well, because apparently they've got active noise cancelling with up to 40 decibels or something like that. I'm not an audio expert, I'm just a regular user just like you. So at the moment you can buy all of those three things, which I'm going to unbox in a second, for just 99 bucks or 77 pounds on their Indiegogo website, or very soon they will be available on their official website. Why on Indiegogo? Well, they had raised up until now 600,000 pounds, guys, to help them out produce those amazing earbuds. So let's see what we're dealing with. For 77 pounds you get three things. That's supposed to be a leather lanyard or a strap, no matter how you want to call it. Let me see what you're actually getting and what is the use of those things, guys. The deal over here is that you're getting a very high quality at a bargain price, pretty much. Check this out, guys. Real leather, probably, I'm really not sure. Oh man, this is solid over here. Check this out, guys. Now we've got a small little tool to assemble it, and we are going to assemble it to this special case over here. This is, by the way, the very first time I'm seeing this. I'm totally improvising right now, so yeah, if that's not your style, well, I'm sorry. So Pamu, oh yes, let me do a smell test. I can't really say if this one is real leather, but it looks definitely very nice, guys. So that's the carry case for the Pamu. Let's see what we get inside this carry case. Okay, yes, we definitely gonna need that. So the idea is you hook this one up over here, and after that you hook this one up over here, maybe. I'm really not sure. Probably it's not the way that works. Most probably it is like that. You either use this one with your own strap over here, guys, or you can use the provided strap with this one. Let me see how this one goes. Oh yes, definitely that is the deal. So over here you just have to strap it somewhere. I'm really not sure where. I can guess that it goes back over here, so you do something like that. Anyways, I'm gonna just leave the case over here on the side and let me demonstrate you my unworthy powers over here. All right, unworthy, I'm really not sure if that's even a word, but anyway, hopefully you're having fun with me, guys, and with my perfect English accent. So yes, oh man, I'm getting excited as I see this one over here. I'm really not sure if you can see it from the shadows, but I prefer filming in natural light. You've got a bunch of instructions over here, which I bet you're not gonna need particularly, because it's not rocket science to hook up your Bluetooth headset to your phone, but in case you don't know, they're here for you. Okay, we've got some spare tips over here. Nice touch. I really like that. Let's see what else do we have, guys. Oh yes, carry and protect your earbuds. All right, so we've got yet another pouch over here, Pamu logo, so I'm gonna file it on the side over here. USB Type-C cable, yes, USB Type-C, and yet another linear. Bloody hell, you've got like three of them already. So let's see what's the deal over here, guys. Let's see what's the crown jewel. Oh man, check this out. The design definitely reminds me of those timepieces from back in the day, like Longines, for example, or these Russian clocks over here, which are kind of a stopwatch or chronometer or whatever it is called. But check this out. Let me see, how do you do that? Okay, how do you unlock this one? Let me see if there's some special thing over here that you do, or you just take it off. I really don't know, guys. I really have totally no idea how to unlock this, but man, this feels like a hand grenade. I mean, I've been in the military, so I really can't say if you can relate to that, but man, this feels like a grenade. Let me see if I can undo this one. Okay, so maybe I'm stupid. You just have to press this button over here and they come out like that, guys. Check this out. We've got this protecting film over here just because the moment you put them down like that, they start charging. Whoa, they start charging. So let's see what do we have over here. One complaint that I had, you know, comparing to the previous model. Check this out, guys. This is the previous model over here, that it had this rubber piece over here that I really didn't like, to be honest with you. And over here we don't have this rubber piece. It's kind of made of softer plastic over here, which I really like. So pretty much the design is very similar, guys, but hardware is different this time compared to the old ones. The LED is hidden over here on the side, so it says Pamu with more pronounced letters over here. I really like what I see so far. I'm gonna be testing the quality of those units very soon, and I'm gonna do probably, well, I'm gonna do the review soon, and I'm gonna tell you how do they sound in comparison to the slightly older version, because obviously this one is cheaper. But man, you don't get the fancy box. Check this out. One thing that I also didn't like about the old model is, check this out, guys. For example, your wife is sleeping next to you and you're watching something, and check this out. This is way too loud, guys. And with this one over here, let's see, you put them in like that or like that. Oh yes, you put them in like that. Check this out, guys. How nice is that? You put them in like that. Oh bloody hell, it's way too loud once again. So yeah, I mean, you can probably keep the box open like that, and you can you can put them, you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's about it, guys. This is really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. To my book, excellent value for money so far. Give me a few weeks to test them out, and I'm gonna come up in the review video soon, but I definitely have a very good feeling about it, considering how expensive the competition is anyways. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Adios, and subscribe to the channel.